Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, February 21st, 2014. The U.S. stock market is closed. Had a crazy day today. It wasn't too bad, but it sure started out bad. We got on the wrong side of an earnings report in Auto Butyl, and that market looked really good on the close yesterday. It opened up and we got slammed bad right on the open and closed that trade out with a $7,500 loss. Now, any trading day that starts out with a single market losing over $7,000 doesn't look good, folks. It just doesn't look good. Amazingly, we didn't do too bad today. The reason being is we had a whole slew of markets that were just kind of good, but nothing great. I did not have a single trade today where I made more than $2,500 in a single trade, but we had quite a few of them. And at the end of the day, when I totaled up all the winning trades that I had made, almost $20,000 in winning trades. Of course, with that Auto Butyl trade plus some other few losses, our negatives were almost $13,000. But when I subtract it all out, we closed the day with $6,383 in positive closed out trades, which really isn't too bad. So we survived a potential catastrophe today. We got into a few things and nothing really great, just one good trade in ISIS Pharmaceuticals. But anyway, we are carrying positive $717 over the weekend. So I'm not going to lose sleep over what we're carrying. We got through the day okay. Hey, let's take a look at the charts. Okay, here we're looking at the Dow again. And I said yesterday, I really wanted to see this market take off these highs. Well, it started out fairly positive, and it looked like the market might go. And, our open trade equity after we got out of Auto Butyl was over $20,000. It looked very good, but the market kind of failed here, and as I get that this is anything but a sell-off. Dow actually ended up closing down 29, but that's not a sell-off. So this is basically kind of solid sideways downsy action. Nothing to be concerned about at all. This market is going to take off and eclipse those highs very shortly. Could happen on Monday. We'll just have to wait and see. Anyway, I'll show you a couple trades here. This is I usually show you good trades, but I'll show you a really bad one. This is the Auto Butyl trade, and we bought this yesterday on this pop-up, and oftentimes right before an earnings report, you can see insider buying come in, and we will sometimes get filled on that insider buying, and that is a good predictor of where the market's going to go after the earnings report comes out, because the insiders know what their earnings report's going to be. But this was definitely an exception, and you can see this thing opened way down here, and as to say, we got caught, and it cost us over $7,000. It hurts, but I'm going to tell you, I could show you trades where we got into earnings reports, bought the day before earnings, that were quadruple the amount of money what we made compared to what we lost here. So I'm willing to stick with our system and basically ignore earnings reports and just take the trades as they come, and I'm perfectly okay with that. But it's a little bit nerve-wracking when you get slammed like this. This is a trade in 3D Systems, and we had bought this yesterday out of the open. It kept up going very nicely. Took off some more. Looked like it was really going to go great, and then it kind of topped out here and pulled back. But we made about $2,500. This is very typical of many of the trades I took. I had a whole bunch of trades, all making, around a couple $1,000s, and those trades, even though they're relatively small, they all added up to almost $20,000 in positive trades. That's how we managed to end the day positive in spite of a horrible trade like we had in Auto Butyl. So, hey, I'm happy. We made some money today. We didn't get killed, and we've had just a fabulous run here in the markets. Anyway, this is Trader Bob signing off. You guys have a great weekend, and I'll be back here trading again on Monday.